Hey, what's up, YouTube? I want to do a quick video on my Tahoe gauge cluster. My gauge cluster started acting up. It was times where I turned the car on, start driving. None of the hands would move. They just stay down. The lights wouldn't come on. So I knew the cluster had a shortage somewhere. And there was times where I'd be driving and the information down here, it wouldn't even light up. So, you couldn't read nothing, what gear is and how many miles you have and stuff like that. So it will work when it wanted to. And so I figured I'll start looking for one because it's already giving signs to going out. So me myself, I could go try to find one at pick apart junkyard, find one and put it in like a, obviously a used one, and put it in. But I'm an eBay guy. I know there's a lot of cats out there like shopping on Amazon, which is cool. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But I'm an eBay guy, and eBay Motors. That says it all right there. I mean, it's about motors and car parts, and that's basically 98% of the time I'm buying car parts. So I go on eBay. My opinion, eBay has tons more auto parts than Amazon. But enough of that. So I went on eBay and I looked up gauge clusters because it's been hot out here. I didn't really feel like going ravaging through junkyards and pick parts to try to find a gauge cluster. So I went on eBay. I looked for a gauge cluster, and like I say, there's plenty of them on there, but I came across this company and they had this gauge cluster. And if you look at this thing, it pretty much looked brand new. If you look at it, this thing, when I opened the box, I'm very pleased with it. It pretty much looked brand new. And what they do is they take gauge clusters. Obviously, they open them up and they say they replace the lighting. They put new LED bulbs in it. They fix all the solders, the grounds and things. And they say they changed the, what they call it. I believe they call it step motors. So where this needle, it goes up and down as, as you accelerate, or the RPMs, gas, oil, stuff like that. They go up and down. So they say they replace those, but obviously they also clean up the housing and stuff like that, because this thing is clean. And I was like, man, it was only, what I paid for this thing? I think it was like $150, something like that. I mean, if you get one out of pick apart, I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper. But it's used, and I'm pretty sure it ain't gonna be as clean as this one. And then the lifespan of it, who knows? But if that's the only how can I say, if that's the only way you got to go, then do your things. So I just wanted to give y'all a heads up. There's a company on eBay that sells these, and they get them, they clean them up, and they resell them. Now there's other companies on there that they'll tell you mail yours to them, they'll rebuild it, and then they'll ship it back to you. But I'm kind of the type of guy, I don't really want to go through all that. So I just kept scrolling, and I came across this one, and they said that they have some in stock, and they tell you the years it would fit and everything, and they already been done, and they'll just ship it to you for for whatever price they have it up for. But enough talking. So as you can see, this thing works good. The lighting, you probably can't tell from the phone, but the lighting, it's brighter than it was. Sorry about that, radio came on. Give me 1 second. Now you have the lighting, it looks good, everything looks good. But what I also like is that my bad, I had the switch down. I had to roll it up so it'll get brighter. But look, the lighting on the gauges is phenomenal, man. Oh man, that's what had me sold right there. This one is blue. It has blue lighting in the background. They had other ones that was just the regular white lighting. But this thing, it's daytime. As you can see, it's daytime out here. It's bright. And if you look at this thing, even though it's daytime, it shines bright. Oh, look at that, shine bright like a diamond. Stick is nice. Look at the writing down here. And like I say, I still have my original cluster. I didn't have to mail it to them or anything like that. All I did was trying to get the right angle to where you can see the lighting. But this thing is pretty bright. And I didn't have to mail mine in. I just bought this one. They had the post. I bought it. And the cool thing about it, if you want them to, obviously, this cluster is going to have mileage on it from the previous owner. But they will reprogram the mileage to the exact same miles of your vehicle if you want to. You could just send them a message of the miles on your car, and they'll reprogram this to the same mileage that's on your car. So that's a good thing also. But I'm gonna leave a description and a link, and then I'm gonna come out here later on tonight and finish the video so you can get a good look at how bright these gauges are. So I'll talk to y'all in a couple hours. Can you see my face? Look at my face. I stated it was hotter than the mother out here. That's why I didn't want to go to the junkyard. But I came out here to do this video. I'm sitting in the truck and I am burning up. But I do this for you. I do this for y'all, YouTube. All I ask is for you to subscribe. Alright, I'm back. The sun went home. It's now dark outside, so I'm gonna show y'all this cluster real quick. Get my butt in the house. My dome lights won't cut off because it's got another problem with this retarded truck. They think that the rear access is open, but it's not. And now they saying if it's not the latches, you need to buy a new BCM, which is a computer. So, you know, whatever. That's another story. But if you're wondering why it's so light in here, it's because my dome lights don't want to cut off. So there you go. That's how I look at night. This thing is beautiful. It's beautiful, man. So, first time I didn't turn the... Oh, here goes the radio again. I didn't turn the car on the first time. So, I just want to show you how the needles move and all that. Everything is cool. You can see they already moved over here, the fuel and the voltage and all that. So, and as you can see, everything works fine. Got the oil pressure. You see how I say rear access open? That's a lie, man. It's a lie. It's not open. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all how this thing looked. And like I say, I got it off eBay. It was already done. All I had to do was pay my little monies and they shipped it to me. There's other ones that they do it also, but you have to mail them your original cluster. They'll rebuild it and send it back to you. I didn't want to go through the wait. Although the waiting time is not long according to them. They say it take about a day or two. But you know, I found one where I didn't have to wait. I just bought it and they mailed it to me. That was it. But this is nice. Go on YouTube. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. And if you decide to go this route, check it out. It's beautiful. Better than the original one, you know. So thanks for watching. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I do this for y'all, and all I ask in return is to subscribe.